something doesn't quite line up.
Tears slipped with cyanide flow through the cracks of a mirror shattered long ago. And sure